Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile guys password setting. And today video title is guys how to set 4-digit password, how to use oppo mobile pin lock password setting. Friends, in your oppo mobile you want to use pin lock password setting, 4-digit password you want to set. So friends, now let's see how to set 4-digit password, how to use oppo mobile pin lock password. One by one, step by step we will talk about. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting, friends, scroll down here. Open your phone password and biometric setting, and after my phone password and biometric setting, open your phone set lock screen password setting. Important notice, friends, remember your lock screen password. If you forget your password, you will have to erase all data. You will have to use factory reset setting. Then you can unlock your oppo mobile. Your photo, video, download apps, everything will delete. So remember your password. Friends, click here use a different password type. 4-digit password, pin lock password you can set. You can on your pin lock password in oppo mobile. Friends, my pin lock password is 123 and again 3. Password will set. If you click here add fingerprint option, so you can add fingerprint lock in oppo mobile. And you want to add face lock, enter your lock screen password, your pin lock password, you can add face lock. Lock your screen. You can unlock oppo mobile with pin lock password. Swipe here 1 2 3 3, phone will unlock automatic. So like that friends, you can use oppo mobile pin lock password setting. You want to change oppo mobile pin lock password, so friends, open your device phone password setting, open your device lock screen password setting, enter your password. After enter password, modify password, again enter your password. And friends, now you can set your new pin lock password for your lock screen. So friends, my new pin password is 1245. 1245. Remember your password. Okay friends, if you forget your password, you will have to erase all data in your android mobile, in your oppo mobile. So friends, you can check 1233 wrong pin, 1245 phone will unlock. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, you have any problem in oppo mobile phone password and biometric setting? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends. And you don't want to use, so friends, click here turn off password option, enter your password, your lock screen password will off. Bye.